How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Unveiled channel. In today's video we'll be looking at a super small market cap coin which has a huge potential to be a top cryptocurrency in the cryptocurrency market. Before we do get started in the video, of course, if you're new around here, make sure you do hit that subscribe button as we post daily cryptocurrency news. And of course, guys, like I said in every video, this is not financial advice, this is strictly entertainment purposes only, so make sure you go out and do your own research and come to your own conclusion before investing into any tokens or coins that I mentioned in my videos. With that out of the way, let's get straight into the video. So if you haven't guessed it already, today's coin which we are going to be talking about is of course Joystream, or Joy for short. If you guys have been a subscriber of the channel for a while now, you would know that I'm super bullish on Joystream. It is in my top picks for cryptocurrencies, and I believe that Joystream just has a huge potential, not only from the fact that the features behind Joystream, which are also great, and you can also, which I'll get into in a bit more detail here, I'll talk about what Joystream actually is. I'll also talk about the current program they've got for YouTubers at the moment. So if any of you guys are running crypto-based YouTube channels, you can actually automatically sign up to this program and will be getting paid just to upload these videos. But I'll talk about that a little bit more in depth as we get into the video a bit more in a second here. But one of the main reasons why I wanted to talk about Joystream today is the basically the huge price increase that it's had recently. Like I said, I've been talking about this coin for the last few weeks now, and I've been telling you guys how much potential I see in this coin. And you know how much potential it has, like I said, not only from the features but also from, we are super early with it being with Joystream having such a low market cap. If we can look down at the chart here, you can see on the last 7 days Joystream is actually up over 66% on the last 7 days. And if we switch to 1 month chart, you can actually see how much Joystream has actually pumped up in the last month. You can see it down here. This is basically when I was telling you guys, if I switch to the yearly chart here, you can see when Joystream first released, I told you guys that it had a bit of a pump. It dropped back down again. I was telling you around this time when Joystream was at its lowest, I was saying this could be a great buying opportunity for Joystream, and how much I believe into Joystream. And you can actually see how much the price has actually increased ever since I was talking about that video. If you would have invested down here, you would have already 4x'd your money in literally just about a month. You can see it was around 0.002 and it's now just sitting under 0.008 cents per coin. And like it says here on the monthly chart, it's actually up over 259% on the month. I believe that this is a little bit lower because, like I said, this is about 4x from one of the lowest points here when I was talking about it. But yeah, this is still super early for Joystream, and I still see Joystream having a huge, much huger potential. If we scroll down here a little bit more, we can look at, we scroll up here actually. We can look at a few different stats about Joystream. You can see that a fully diluted market cap of Joystream is only a mere $8.1 million, guys. Which I believe is super small for a market cap of a coin that has, for a coin of this potential. Yeah, like I keep saying and keep mentioning, I believe that this is just really small for the coin, and I believe that the fully diluted market cap of this coin could easily be seen 500 million to $1 billion for sure. If we get into a bit more about what Joystream actually is here, if we switch over to the official Joystream website here, it's joystream.org if you want to check out for yourself. Basically what Joystream is basically a blockchain which you can build, developers can actually build decentralized apps. However, what is so unique about Joystream is these apps are basically specifically about content creation or streaming. If we scroll down a little bit more here, you can see they've got a little bit of a slogan here: one platform, multiple apps, which sums Joystream up quite nicely here. And if we scroll down a bit further here, you can see the main 2 apps which Joystream have already got. Like I keep saying, guys, super low market cap at the moment. We are still really early into Joystream, so they've only got 2 decentralized apps, 2 decentralized sort of content creation apps at the moment. However, I do believe as Joystream, you know, grows and begins to be more and more popular, market cap starts to increase, more and more apps will start to be developed and built onto the Joystream platform. So yeah, like I said, the blockchain actually allows developers to build decentralized apps with the core focus being on content creation and streaming. And like I said, the 2 main ones at the moment, And also another unique thing about Joystream and about these apps is each of these different content creation or streaming platforms actually have a sole focus. So as you can see here, they've got Gleave and they've got One.media. So Gleave, the sole focus is about Web3 and content creation. So crypto content. So like I said, guys, if you are actually a content creator that is solely based around crypto, you can actually go onto Gleave and sign up. And I'll talk about the partnership program in a second here, which you can actually be paid every time automatically with no extra work involved. You will actually be, be paid passively for every time you will actually upload a video, which I'll get into more in a second here. But if they've also got another app here called One.media for education, news and science. So if you've got a channel which is based around these different topics, you can also sign up to One.media. I'm not really sure about the program on One.media. I'm just obviously, of course, because I'm a crypto content channel, so I'm signed up to Gleave. But I will talk about the partnership program now. So if we switch on to, I'm on the Gleave dashboard here under my channel. So basically how this actually works with the YouTube partnership program is super easy and simple. You can actually basically go on to Gleave.xyz, and like I said, if you've got a YouTube channel, you basically just sign up, you connect your wallet, whatever wallet you've got. I use Polkadot, or I believe you can use MetaMask, and other wallets you can use. Different wallets. So you basically sign up and you will actually be able to connect your YouTube channel through the website. Super easy. You just sign into your Google account, and then from there, basically how it works is you basically will just give permission to Gleave to sync up your videos every time you post on YouTube, and that is as simple as it is, guys. Every single time you post on YouTube onto your YouTube channel about crypto content, it will automatically get synced up to the Gleave platform, and you will be automatically paid here. So as you can see here, every single time you upload a video, you'll be getting paid $3, which some of you guys will be saying, it's not much, which, it's not a huge amount of money. However, this is passive. This is completely passive, no extra work required. Like I said, all you got to sign up and link your Google account to here and give them permission to sync up your videos, and basically every time you upload a video, you'll be paid $3 extra, which you would not be getting paid otherwise. And of course, guys, like I keep saying and remind you guys, Joystream is still a super low market cap coin. So who knows, this $3, in a year's time, if you just leave your videos there, leave the money in your Gleave account, you could come back in a year's time, whatever, and Gleave could have 100x by then. So this $3 every time you upload a video could now be worth over $300 per video, and then suddenly you start to realize how much potential this does actually have. You also got the referral program here, which of course, just being completely transparent, I will be leaving this down in the description if you want to use my link. It's completely up to you. And I believe that you might get a little bit of joy tokens when you sign up as well, and I will also get between $10 and $50 depending on the YouTube channel size as well. So yeah, so not only does Joystream have great features, and I believe it has a great future ahead of it, but it's also got a super awesome YouTube partnership program, and this is not only good for the people who have YouTube channels, but this is also good for the platform, because of course it attracts a lot of people to sign up to Gleave, basically pushing the Joystream platform and increasing and growing the popularity of Joystream, which of course is always really good to see. If we switch over to the Joystream Twitter page here, you can actually see that they've got 61,000 followers here, so a super strong community behind Joystream, and they are also super active on Joystream as well. Like I said in my past videos, another thing which I love about Joystream is they've got a super strong team which are constantly updating the community, improving the coin always, and basically just being super active with the community. Basically, if any issues ever occur with Joystream, they will always be be there to communicate in the Discord. And I've also talked to the team before, and they are, they help me out, and they are super awesome team. Probably one of the best teams which I've actually had the pleasure of talking to in any cryptocurrency. If we switch back over to the CoinMarketCap here, I would just like to sum up the last part of the video, just give my personal price prediction on Joystream. So if you haven't guessed it already, which I'm sure you would have, I'm super bullish on Joystream, and I believe that Joystream has the potential to be one of the top cryptocurrencies, not just from the fact of the features that it has, but also the YouTube partnership program. I believe that that's a super nice feature just to gain and grow the platforms. you know, just to basically reward creators, and you know, of course, that gives a lot of creators an incentive to sign up to the Joystream platform, basically, and just, you know, to grow it, which is, you know, always really nice to see. As well as, you know, the features which I talk about Joystream. Of course, I keep banging on about the super low market cap, and like I mentioned in loads of my videos before, guys, you know, the market cap of a coin does determine how much gains the investors are actually going to be able to get out of the coin. Because of course, if Joystream was already at a $500 million market cap or a $1 billion market cap, then of course the potential for, you know, a 5-10x would be much lower, of course, because of course the amount of funds which would need to be pushed into the market cap would be, you know, much higher. So, you know, it would need a lot more capital to see a much lower amount of gains. Whereas, you know, at a small $8 million market cap, you know, you'd only need, you know, 10, 20, 30 million dollars to get, you know, 2, 3, 4, 5x, you know, which is, you know, 10, 20, 30 million dollars in cryptocurrency. Can be achieved very easily with just a small amount of, you know, people actually learning and investing into Joystream. So yeah, super bullish on Joystream. I do believe with the 2024, I do believe in 2024 we are going to be seeing another bull run, just from the fact with lots of cryptocurrencies, especially of course the biggest one, Bitcoin, halving. I believe that Joystream has the potential to be 500 million to $1 billion market cap, and of course I will be holding my Joystream tokens until then, and probably even after then, of course, just from the fact that I have, you know, have such great hopes into the Joystream platform. Apart from that, guys, I'd like to thank you very much for watching the video. Make sure you do comment down below what you think about Joystream. Are you going to be investing? Are you not going to be investing? Just let me know why. Of course, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you do hit that like button, and if you're new around here, make sure you do hit that subscribe button as well. Apart from that, I'll see you guys in the very next video. Peace.